Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to know the origin of your iPhone. I mean where your iPhone was manufactured. So you start by going to settings. You can see setting here, tap on it. After that go to general, go to about and look for model number. You can see model number here. Okay, I have model number here. So look for the last two letters before the slash A. So in this case is capital LL. So memorize these letters in your browser and look for iPhonewiki.com. Tap on it and come here. In my case, it is LL, capital LL. Look for LL. You can see it here. LL here. It is from USA, Canada, also used for some replacement unit. So look for your own. It may be any of these here. This column, code, the code here, you can see here, code. So it may be any one of them. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Also share for more.